She moves like the ocean under moonlight's glow. Every step she takes sets the world below. Drums in the distance echo her sway. A goddess of rhythm, she leads the way. Fire in her eyes, burning up the skies. Every breath she takes, the whole world sighs. Feel the heat rise, it's a fever we share. She's the sparkle of life, dancing everywhere. Her whispers are thunder, soft yet divine. A melody weaving through space and time. Her heart beats a rhythm, a tribal command, pulling me closer with every handstand. Fire in her eyes, burning up the skies. Every breath she takes, the whole world sighs. Feel the heat rise, it's a fever we share. She's the sparkle of life, dancing everywhere. Echoes of her laugh, they ripple through the air. Her colors magnetic beyond compare. Feet on the ground with her soul's in flight, a blazing comet in the velvet night. Fire in her eyes, burning up the skies. Every breath she takes, the whole world sighs. Feel the heat rise, it's a fever we share. She's the sparkle of life, dancing everywhere. Her whispers are thunder, soft yet divine. A melody weaving through space and time. Feel the heat rise, it's a fever we share. She's the sparkle of life, dancing everywhere. Oh, oh, dancing everywhere. Oh, oh, her whispers are thunder,